In this video, we'll show you how to get and install Reshade on FiveM. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Reshade is a graphic enhancer like color correction, sharpening, and bloom to improve GTA 5 visual, and you can install it on FiveM. To get started, go to reshade.me and click download here and download the latest version. Now you can open the Reshade setup, and here you can search FiveM on window, right click and open file location, and then right click again and open file location again. You should be in this folder now, and what you need to do is copy the path to this folder and go back to Reshade setup, click browse and paste the path here, and then click FiveM and click next. Now here select direct 10, 11, 12 and click next. Here you can select effects to install. You can click uncheck all and then click check all and click next. Reshade will download some necessary files and start the installation process. After that's done, you can click finish and go inside the FiveM folder again. You'll see these files. What you're gonna do is cut all of these new files, go to FiveM application data and open plugins folder and paste it here. Now you can launch FiveM. Inside FiveM, press F8 on your keyboard and here select this line here and copy it, and then go back to FiveM folder, go to FiveM application data. Here look for Citizen Effects and open it with Notepad. Right click on it, click open with, and then select Notepad, and then paste the line that we copied below here and save it, and you can open FiveM again now. If installed correctly, you'll see a notification at the top of the screen. Now let's try it on the server. Let's open up the menu, press home, and then select the effects you want, and it should apply into your GTA 5.